Welcome to Sema4.ai Studio, where you can quickly turn your ideas into ready-to-deploy agents. In this tour, we'll show you how Studio makes it easy to build and test AI agents using natural language runbooks to define how agents work, and MCP to connect to your enterprise applications. Sema4 makes it simple to build purpose-built enterprise AI agents that quickly connect to your enterprise apps, reason through tasks, and handle complex decision-making using your data. Every agent you build in Studio is designed to be safe, secure, running locally inside your AWS VPC or Snowflake environment, accurate with explainable logic and data-backed decisions, fast so you can build, test, and iterate quickly, extensible, connecting to the apps and data your business uses. Now that we understand enterprise AI agents, let's dive into the key features of Sema4.ai Studio. You can define your agents using our natural language runbooks. They allow you to specify how your AI agents operate using plain English with no coding required. Runbooks act as the brain of your AI agent, outlining its objectives, instructions, and decision-making processes. Since runbooks use plain English, it is easy for business users to create and update AI agents as your processes evolve, without relying on technical teams. To power your agents, Studio supports leading large language models available through enterprise standard providers, including OpenAI, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Bedrock, and Snowflake Cortex. This flexibility allows you to choose the model that best fits your performance and cost requirements. You can switch between these models as you experiment, test, and refine your agents. Next, let's look at the actions. The fastest way to connect your agents to enterprise applications. Studio comes with pre-built actions for popular enterprise apps like HubSpot, Microsoft SharePoint, and Google Workspace. These actions allow your agents to interact seamlessly with your enterprise apps and perform tasks. For more tailored needs, you can import custom actions built by your team, whether for SAP, Workday, or any other critical enterprise application. This includes secure, containerized access to hundreds of MCP servers, available through Docker's MCP Gateway and Docker Desktop. Studio connects your agents to the lifeblood of enterprise, your data. With dynamic data access, agents can securely and efficiently access structured data across multiple data sources and applications without creating data silos. With our new knowledge base support, agents have access to unlimited context, enabling them to reason over unstructured sources, from internal documents and emails to support tickets, transcripts, and even historical conversations. This gives your agents the context to take informed actions grounded in real insights. When your agent is ready, interacting with it is as simple as starting a conversation. As you chat, you'll see your agent's thought process in real time with inline thinking, providing full transparency into how decisions are made. Your agents don't just respond, they act. Whether it's updating a CRM, pulling live data, or triggering a workflow, agents are built to take real, meaningful action. You can also create multiple threads to run separate conversations in parallel, switch between them instantly, and continue where you left off, just like working with a real teammate. Studio is built for secure, local-first development so you can build, test, and validate agents right on your laptop with full control over your data. When you're ready to deploy your agents, just hit Publish. You can link your Studio to either Enterprise Edition in AWS or Team Edition in Snowflake, secure production-grade environments designed to run your agents at scale. From natural language runbooks to secure deployment, Studio gives you everything you need to automate knowledge work and scale productivity across your organization. Ready to build your first agent? Get started with Sema4 Studio today.